Hello everyone. I'll be right back. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexus and this is Nam Nam to Fitness. Today I have a quick grocery haul video for you. I'm going to be making some yummy vegan recipes this week. So I went to Trader Joe's, H-E-B, Kroger's, Whole Foods. I went to Home Goods as well. And that's it, so let's get right into it. Okay, so let's start with Trader Joe's. So I got these sweet potato crackers from Trader Joe's. I love these, they're so good. I love it in their hummus. They also have beet crackers, but the sweet potato is my favorite. And it's also gluten-free if you have a gluten-free allergy. And I don't remember how much they cost, but I think it was about $2 and some change. This is their spicy hummus dip, which I absolutely love. It says spicy, but it's really not that spicy. It just has a little kick to it, and I got 2 of them. And I also got these vegetable masala burgers from Trader Joe's. They're so good. These are like, they're stuffed with potatoes and peppers and onions. What else? Breadcrumbs, carrots. I'm telling you, you gotta try these on a good hamburger bun or some sandwich bread, some ketchup and mustard, lettuce. Absolutely delicious. Of course, I got some tofu. I got super firm tofu. And I also got regular firm tofu. Tofu is just a staple here because very versatile, you can do a lot with it. I got some jalapeno peppers, which I don't remember what I'm gonna use it for. I think it's mango salsa. I got some beefless ground beef from Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's does have a lot of, vegan meat alternatives, so check them out if you're looking for like a good meat substitute. I'm gonna make stuffed peppers with this. I got some cauliflower, so I might make some cauliflower mashed potatoes, or mashed cauliflower. Or I might just roast cauliflower because it's good that way as well. Got me some almond butter. I absolutely love almond butter, even more than I love peanut butter. I use this a lot in brownies and I top it with my oatmeal. So this is also a staple in my house. Bananas for making oatmeal. I also have some frozen for smoothies for throughout the week. Got me some lettuce because I like to make a big salad. Okay, also got some supplement drops. Has vitamin C with it, and this was $1, so it's good for your immune system. And that's raspberry flavored. I got some soap. Trader Joe's does have a lot of body care stuff. They have a whole section for body care. And I think this soap was like $1. Someone gave it to me. My sister gave it to me as a stocking stuffer, and I liked it, so I got some more. I got some coconut milk yogurt from Sprouts. This is strawberry banana. And it's by So Delicious, which is my favorite vegan yogurt. And this was $1.25. I got 2 of them. And that was from H-E-B. This is also from H-E-B. This was $1 off. It's by Lightlife. It's turkey, vegan turkey meat slices. I got this BioLife cheddar cheese slices. I like BioLife. They have good feta cheese and mozzarella cheese, so I'm sure I'll like this. Also got this bread. I got this from Sprouts to make chickpea salad, sandwiches. I got mangoes from Sprouts, making a mango salsa with black beans and like a vegan chicken, which is why I got me black beans. Also got chickpeas to make chickpea salad and chickpea crab cakes, which also requires me to have hearts of palm. This stuff smells like fish. It has a fishy scent to it and a taste to it, so it's really good in crab cakes. If you want to recreate a vegan crab cake. I got some pickles for chickpea salad. And this is from Whole Foods. It's called Gel Dessert. It's a gelatin-free jello, and it's strawberry flavored. I had this before, and I think I liked it, but I can't remember. But I was in the mood for it, and I actually remembered to get it. So, got me some unsweet almond milk, and this flies by my house, very rapidly. So I got 2. Got some plantains from Whole Foods. And I got these hummus chips from Home Goods. They do have a really good snack section, so check them out. And this is sour cream and chives flavored. I never tried it before, so I'll let you know how it is. Got some baby bella mushrooms, some tofurkey vegan chicken. I had this before, I really like it. I normally put barbecue sauce in it and saute onions and stuff. I might do jerk style this time. This is some vegan, I can't believe it's not butter. And I have some vegetables. I have celery for my chickpea salad. I have onions, red onions, yellow onions, cilantro, poblano peppers because I'm making stuffed peppers, red peppers, green peppers, and some green beans that I got from Sprouts. And that is it, a very simple vegan grocery haul. I'm going to be making some delicious recipes this week, so stay tuned. I'm going to be posting that this weekend as well. So this week I made some delicious black beans and vegan jerk chicken with mango salsa and plantains. So it's very easy. I'm just starting off by marinating this tofurkey chicken. I added about 2 tablespoons of this jerk sauce. And then I added about 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar, but you can use light brown sugar as well. It's just so it's not super spicy and it balances out the flavor. And then I let it marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. I just massaged it through in a ziplock bag and then I put it in the refrigerator. Now I'm just cooking some simple white rice. I added a little bit of salt to the water and about a teaspoon of grapeseed oil. For the beans, I added 2 cans of rinsed and drained black beans, and I'm adding 1 small diced onion along with 2 packets of sazon seasoning. I'm sprinkling it with some black pepper and garlic powder, but I'm using this garlic blend mix that I got from a spice shop, but regular garlic powder is fine. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of sofrito and I'm filling it up with water all the way to the top. And I'm adding 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. And I'm just going to let this cook on medium-low heat for about an hour. And now I'm mashing it with a potato masher just to mash some of the beans because I like the texture better that way. And then the beans are done. And now I'm slicing up 2 ripe plantains and I'm just going to add a little bit of grapeseed oil to a pan and cook them until they're crispy and golden brown on each side. And I'm using the sweet plantain, so it's not the one with the green skin on the outside, it's the one with the yellow skin. And being that these are sweet, you don't have to add anything to it because it has its own natural flavor. Adding the marinated vegan chicken onto a skillet with a little bit of oil, and I pushed them aside and added some yellow onions. And once it cooks down, I just mixed it all together. Now for the mango salsa, I'm dicing up 2 ripe mangoes. You know when they're ripe because when you squish it, it's going to be soft and it's not going to be hard anymore. I'm also adding half diced red pepper into the bowl, along with about 3 tablespoons of diced red onion. I'm adding 1 small diced jalapeno pepper, 3 tablespoons of diced cilantro, the juices of 2 limes, and I'm adding a little bit of sea salt to taste. It smells so good in here. Just the rice and beans alone. Try that jerk chicken. You gotta try this. It is so good. Get some of that mango salsa on there. This has to be one of my favorite dishes. There was this dish at the Cheesecake Factory. It was plantains, black beans, rice, mango salsa, and chicken, and I used to get it. So this reminds me of that, but of course I like this better. Homemade, but everything goes together. It's the perfect amount of spicy, sweet, and salty. That's why the mango salsa goes perfect with this. I'm gonna get everything. I'm gonna get everything on this spoon. Got me some chicken, some beans, some rice. And the plantains, you don't need to put anything on it because it's just naturally delicious. I love this. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please make that dish because it is absolutely delicious. And if you do, feel free to tag me at 9 Moms of Fitness on Twitter or on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.